What's going on YouTube? Back with another vlog for a small mod we're going to be doing on the RS. We're going to be tinting the side mirror lenses here. So we're going to make them look nice and sleek. So okay, first step, you're going to move the mirror all the way down and all the way in so that you have access to the two prongs that are right here. Next, you're going to go in with the flathead. Tough to get a good angle on this. There's the tab right here, and then one right here. You're going to push down on it with the flathead, and then work it back. Once you have the tabs out, you just lift up, pry back, and everything will pop right out, all still intact. Okay, now we have the lens out. This is just fitted in with this clip here and pressed in with here. So you're just gonna push in and out, and it'll snap right out. The bulb socket just pulls directly out, and now we're gonna tint the lens. So I got some 5% dark standard tint. I'm gonna cut a piece of this off, and we're gonna lay it over the lens and tuck it around the edges to get a nice clean look. Okay, once you have the lens wrapped, push this end in first, push that right in, snaps right in, and then we can install the mirror cap. To put the mirror cap back on, just line up these bottom tabs first, and then we're gonna roll it on, and you should hear it snap in. Alright, so there you have it. Both mirrors are done. Not too bad of an install. Just be careful with those mirror caps and the clips. They are delicate. Other than that, I think it looks pretty good. Nice and blacked out. Your eyes don't attract to those mirror lenses anymore. Not bad for $4.95 worth of tint film.
Invincible.